ki engineer jangka tenat MECL hapo kalama jangka CCORMAU kila penpau ya gajin persya ban IT penyat no haki company ya ki tenat trekam jangka te katenat habakran bakilat pathai khubor hadian gajin yalang ber chief managing director MECL ki engineer ke MECL kila ya thuru ba CMD ulakular ban yalan meki ban kendo markhmat ban menteri ketenat boarding
to outsource our generation substations and distribution franchisee. Our CMD will lead a delegation before the Power Minister at 4 p.m. and maybe after we meet the Power Minister will lead a delegation before the Honorable Chief Minister before a concrete decisions is taken tomorrow before the Cabinet. This is a very serious issue. As you are all aware, if we hand over to whosoever, nobody will come here for free service. Their intentions is to earn. So we have put forward our suggestions that as employees, as responsible leaders of unions and associations, we are ready to provide 100% cooperation with the management, and vice versa. The management, the government, and the regulators will have to perform our duty. We will look into areas where we can improve in few months in the lost areas, short term where we can take immediate measures for improvement, and we can work out on long-term measures where we will see the improvement through all the schemes which we are implementing. So we do hope that we'll be able to brief better in the evening after we meet the Honorable Power Minister and maybe the Chief Minister. Thank you.